In this video, we'll be discussing why solid-state drives are becoming increasingly popular in computers due to their speed and reliability. Solid-state drives use flash memory to store data and have no moving parts. This means they are less likely to fail due to mechanical issues, resulting in a longer lifespan for your drive and less downtime due to hardware failures. One of the biggest advantages of SSDs over traditional hard drives is their speed. Because SSDs use flash memory to store data, they can access and retrieve data much faster than hard drives. While SSDs are generally more reliable than traditional hard drives, they can still fail due to a variety of factors. That's why backing up your data is still important. To conclude, solid-state drives offer many advantages over traditional hard drives, including faster speeds and better reliability. However, like any storage device, SSDs are not immune to failure. That's why backing up your data is still important. Thank you for watching our video on solid-state drives. If you have any questions or would like help backing up your data locally or to the cloud, please contact us at bestatx@proton.me.